PCB recycling, is it a real business opportunity? If you're looking at PCB recycling, the real question is not can it be done? It's can it make stable money? PCBs are valuable for one simple reason: they contain copper. But copper only has value when it's cleanly separated. Unsorted PCB scrap is priced as mixed waste. Sorted output is priced as metal. That price difference is where the business margin comes from. This complete PCB recycling line is designed around that logic. At the front end, dismantling removes large components and hardware early. That reduces wear on downstream machines and lowers operating risk and maintenance costs. Then comes shredding and controlled crushing. The structure is fully opened, but the copper is not damaged or overground. This is critical for recovery rate and resale value. The real profit is created in the sorting section. Through screening, airflow separation, and electrostatic separation, metals and non-metals are separated into clean, defined outputs. What does that mean in business terms? The same ton of PCB material goes from being sold as low-grade mixed scrap to being sold as high-value copper and recyclable fractions. Labor is reduced. Throughput becomes predictable. Once the line is tuned, daily capacity and output quality remain stable. This is why more recyclers are moving away from manual sorting and simple processing and upgrading to integrated PCB recycling lines. If your goal is to build a recycling operation that is scalable, compliant, and profitable over the long term, this PCB recycling solution deserves serious consideration. For more technical details, capacity options, and return on investment analysis, feel free to contact us. And don't forget to subscribe for more recycling business insights.